Okay guys, like I said, let's say for instance, after much explanation on MetaTrader 4, linking it to your Exness, this is your Exness, and you still don't understand how to trade on MetaTrader 4, which I don't think that will ever happen, because MetaTrader 4 is very easy to understand. With the way I explained it, is very easy to understand. But let's say for instance you still don't understand, or you understand that you still want to trade on your Exness platform, because like I told you, you could still trade on your Exness platform. So what you need to do is, this is where you need to click if you want to use your Exness platform to trade instead of the MetaTrader 4. You see here, this is where you need to click this trade. Now this account is for tutorial purpose, so once you click the trade, it will tell you deposit, because there's no money there. Just click this escape sign. Is it escape or times? Click it. Once you click it, it will automatically take you to the trading platform. Just watch and see. This is it. So it's quite the same, but we prefer to use MetaTrader 4. So what you need to do is, maybe I tell you trade sell euro to USD, which is EUR USD. What you need to do is you click here. This plus sign here. Once you click that plus sign, a lot of trade, you see a lot of trades will come out, a lot of markets, currency to trade. This is XAU. Once you see XAU USD, you should know it's gold they are talking about. Once you see BTC USD, you know it's Bitcoin they are talking about. When you scroll down, okay, this is what I told you to trade. EUR USD, which is euro versus US dollar. So what you want to do now is click on it. Once you click on it, as you can see, it's already on EUR USD. Now what you need to do is, if you try to sell or buy, it won't go, because you have 0.00 USD. You've not deposited into your account. So what you need to do is, for demo, for this tutorial, we are going to be using the demo account. You just have to click this drop down here. You click this small drop down here. Once you click it, you click this switch account. I don't know, this thing is blocking it, but you see this switch account below here. Once you click it, switch account, let's see where it takes us to. Now look at, now what you need to click now is this demo showing here. This demo, click the demo. Once you click the demo, as you can see, I have 99,900 and something dollars. This is not real money, it's for just practice. Then you click times, I say times, then just click here, just click it. Once you click it, it will take you straight up to the trade. It will reload, then take you straight up back to the trade. Let's see. Fast. All right, now as you can see, we have money in our account. This is it, but it's demo money. Now, I told you sell euro to USD. Now it's quite the same as MetaTrader 4. Here is your lot, the amount you want to trade with. Like I said, for beginners, for risk management, it's always good you trade with 0.01 lot size, which is like, let's just call it USD, 0.01 for risk management, because if you trade with this amount, the money you will lose is small, quite small, and even the money you will also gain might be small. Do you understand? So, but for this purpose, since we have 99,000 something dollars, let's trade on the high side. Click it, then let's put what we want. Let's trade from with 1. All right. Then I said sell, right? Now let's sell EUR to USD. Click sell. Now it's still the same thing. You see, it's showing you here your take profit and your stop loss, just the same way it is on your MetaTrader 4. Everything is quite the same. So if I send you a signal with take profit and stop loss, you indicate the take profit and stop loss here. But if I send you a signal without take profit and stop loss, you just confirm your buy. Just click confirm. It will go. You don't even need to indicate take profit or stop loss. As you can see right now, I have confirmed. As you can see, the market is going on my what is it called? What's that English? Is working for me. Rather, look at, I'm making plus $5. Can you see? It's going down. I know I told you sell is down, buy is up. As you can see, this blue line is where we sold from. So as long as this candlestick is going below the blue line, we are making profit because we sold. But if it goes above the blue line, it means we are making loss. So as it is right now, see, look at, we are making profit. $13, $16. We are making profit. See, it's going for our favor. That's why I told you forex is easy. Anybody can do forex. Anybody at all, even a child, can do forex and make money daily. See, forex trading is instantaneous. You can make money instantly and you can lose money instantly. Don't get it twisted. So it doesn't look as if I've been making it look so sweet. A lot of people will tell you how they've lost money from forex, and I think how will I call it? Let me not curse anybody or let me not use insultive words. There's every tendency that you see you can trade without losing money. Trade from your comfort. For risk management, trade with 0.01. But if you have much money in your balance and you want to just try yourself, you can trade from 1 lot size, and the higher you trade, you see amount we are making $21 right now. So let us close this trade. Let's say for instance we want to close this trade. Just click here. We want to close it with our profits because maybe the thing is looking as if it may want to go against us. Look at now, it's doing as if it wants to come up. So let's quickly close. Click close. Once you click that close, click confirm. As you can see, you know I told you we had 99,000 something before, but now look at what we have. Our money has increased. Do you see? So this is forex for you. It's easy. A lot of people would prefer doing their trade on the Exness platform, but a lot of people would prefer the MetaTrader 4. Whichever you prefer, it will work for you. Thank you very much. If this video has made sense, give it more likes, comments, and that's that.